to make the perfect protein shake. First, you put 1 whole banana in. Second, you're gonna put about a cup of milk. Then 2 bowls of strawberries and banana. Then we're gonna put in cocoa powder, protein powder, ice, and cinnamon. That's how to make the perfect protein shake. It's good.